Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO F19 and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to find notifications and status bar section. Now let's tap on more settings, I believe, or not. We have to tap on the status bar. And as you can see, here we've got two different options which are connected with the battery, so we can change the battery style from the horizontal to vertical loop or do not show at all. And the battery percentage, we can decide where we want to display it, so do not show outside the battery icon or inside the battery icon. Be aware that the ability to show the battery percentage on the status bar depends on the battery style you will choose, because for example, whenever you will pick the loop, it is not possible to set the percentage inside the battery icon. It can be only outside or it can be hidden, so be aware about that. But basically this is how it works, so just tap on the battery style and choose outside or inside the battery icon, and the percentage will be displayed. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.